So it's day 2 of quarantine. We have cases of the Delta variant in New Zealand, so the whole country went into lockdown overnight. Anyway, let's work on the go-kart today. So a couple of weeks ago, I drove the go-kart to school, but it started developing a really bad petrol leak, and I believe it's because of this plate here. This one. This used to be a fuel level sensor thing, because it came off an ATV, but you know, there's no electrics on this go-kart, so I just blanked it off with a steel plate. But the seal in between it failed, and it started pouring petrol out, probably losing, you know, upwards of a litre a minute. So we had the gas at the school, and then that's where all the petrol leaked out. I managed to bodge it together temporarily with some supplies we had at school, so I could get home. But it's leaked again because the sealant I used wasn't rated for petrol and it dissolved. So I'm done with that petrol tank. I'm going to use this one, which I have. It doesn't look as good, but as you can see, this can't leak. So I have to find a way to pop that up. Firstly, I'm going to get rid of this petrol tank. Oh, no, this is the wrong bit. It appears to be this one. Okay, might as well just cut that fuel hose. Right, you can see the patch I tried. This plate was leaking, so I put some of this sealant on it. Don't know what it is, but it worked for a couple hours, then it dissolved through it. You can see there's no sealant in between the gap in here before, so we were losing quite a lot of petrol. Yeah, so this one is junk.
Symptoms can include a headache, a runny nose, and a sore throat. That's why getting tested if you're feeling unwell is so important. If you have cold or flu symptoms, call Healthline on 0800 358 5453 for advice. Unite against COVID-19.
I'm thinking of putting the tank something like this, and then just moving that bracket over or something, and then just bolt it to the existing holes. That should work. Now the petrol tank is actually a bit too wide, so the holes over here don't actually come up, as you can see. So need some wood blocks. You bolt here, and then the third hole can be bolted to the gas tank. Alright, the petrol tank is installed. Seems to work fine. Doesn't seem to jiggle around too much. And that's just the fuel line. Fuel filter hooked up. It should be good. I'm going to go get some petrol, and I'll take it for a drive. I have some 32:1 two-stroke petrol I just mixed up. I'll pop some in. I'm not going to use it all. I have about half a litre in the tank now. No leaks, so that's good. I'm going to spin it around, and then I'm going to take it for a drive on the driveway. Alright, let's see if it will start. It hasn't been started since I drove to school. I guess it's safe to say that it's fixed now and it's operable. Now let's see if I can get my old motorised bike running. I haven't actually ridden this since I crashed it. It's been crashed a few times. And the petrol's all leaked out, so let's start pumping up the tyres, because I think they're pretty soft. I haven't actually used this foot pump before, but let's try it. Oh yeah, it works as expected. Pump it up 40 psi. reset this pixel. Here's Dad and I just taking the go-kart and the motorised bike around the driveway for a spin.